How to fix ABN AMRO app won't let me log in. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can fix ABN AMRO application won't let me log in. If you are having trouble logging into your ABN AMRO application, then there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot this issue. First of all, ensure that you are connected to the stable and strong internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you are connected to the strong network, now here you will need to check if your application is up to date or not. To check that, you will need to open the Play Store or any other app store of your device, and in the search bar you will need to type in ABN AMRO, then search for it. You will get the search results below. Here tap on the app icon to reach inside it. And once you reach inside it, here if you find the update button, then go ahead and tap on the update button in order to update the application to the latest version. If you didn't see the update button, that means your application is already up to date. If your application is already up to date, then you can tap on this open button, and here make sure to enter the correct information. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. If in case you have forgotten your credentials, you can follow the prompts to reset them. Also, you will need to clear the cache and data of your application in order to solve this issue. For that, you will need to open the device settings. In the settings page, here scroll down to find application option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. Inside it, here you will need to find this ABN AMRO application. Once you find it, tap on it to open it, and here inside you will be able to see different options. Scroll to find the storage option. Tap on storage, and once you reach inside it, here you'll be able to see cache option. Here in my case at the bottom right, I can see this clear cache option. Find this option in your device screen, and once you get that, tap on it to clear it. Once your cache has been cleared, now you can go and check if that solves your problem. You can also simply restart your device to resolve this issue. Even after doing so, if the problem persists, you can uninstall the application and then reinstall it from your app store. For that, again, you will need to open the Play Store of your device, and in the search bar type in ABN AMRO and then search for it. Once you get the application, tap on the app icon to open it. Inside it, here you will be able to see the uninstall button. Now you just simply need to tap on this uninstall button and tap on uninstall once again in this pop-up to confirm. After that, the application will get installed. Now you'll need to simply tap on this install button and reinstall it on your device. Also, sometimes login issues may due to server outage. You will need to check ABN AMRO official website, which is abnamro.com, or social media for any announcements regarding service interruptions. If that's the case, you'll need to wait for a while and try it later. But if that's not the case, you'll be able to log into your account simply after reinstalling the application. Once the application gets reinstalled on your device, you can go ahead and use your credentials in order to log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login issues with the ABN AMRO application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.